Hey guys, it's a collaboration, so you know what you should do? Go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the contents that will be shared. You will not be disappointed. We are falling into fall and we're starting off with some fall wreaths.
Back to my channel. I'm your host here, GFaison. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I created this masterpiece of a wreath. I will share with you the pieces that I've used directly from my stash. Here, did not have to go out and buy anything. The mesh I pulled from an old wreath that I had made up. Just cut those pieces out. The working that you see here, the sunflowers, the pumpkins, this is a swag, and I just used it, intertwined it through the mesh, added to of those metal wreaths that you get from the Dollar Tree together. So you guys will see all of this, but I just want to come and say thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you will enjoy how I put this together. This is part of a collaboration, and it's hosted by Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, and she has several other co-hosts, and all of their links will be in my description box below. So please go over and check them out.
It gets confusing when you say you love me, when you say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell me how you feel? What your true intentions? Boy, you'll have to raise the bar if you want me, baby. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me. Don't hold me hostage, hostage, with this back and forth. Love me, or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage, with this back and forth, this back and forth, this back and forth. I'm gonna have to let you go. If you don't wanna let me know. Tired of feeling so low. Just say yes or say no. Something needs to change. I'm done wondering. I want clarity. No more wicked ways. Love me or leave me, yeah. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage, with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage, with this back and forth, this back and forth. To say yes or say no. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage, with this back and forth. Love me or leave me, but don't hold me hostage, hostage, with this back and forth, this back and forth.
please check out this wreath. Guys, I am out at Serenity Place, and this is where I can make magic happen. And this wreath here, I am super excited about it. So let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you tap that notification bell twice so you're always notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created here on this channel. Now guys, I must say, this is a masterpiece. All right, so don't forget to check out the host, co-host, and all of the other creators that will be participating. As I am your host here, you are styling with GFaison. Be blessed, guys, until the next video.
You say that we're just friends. You must be thinking this is just a game. I'm not interested to play. I'm looking for something real. Won't you tell